Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy space crypto tokens. Okay, so before getting into this, please watch or I take it that you've watched some videos and now you're deciding to get into it, or if you haven't, please watch videos and content about this project and the game and then decide if you want to get into it. Okay, so this video is just about how to buy the token. All right, so now let's get started. As you can see here, even though it shows that it's red and it's going down, but I think as you can see here in the chart, it's in all-time high right now, and not counting this because this is just the release of the token. So from here to here, this is its all-time high. All right, and the game haven't released yet, and I hope it gets higher than this when the game is released. I'd really like to see something similar as what happened with Luna Rush, that it doubled a lot of people's money. And yeah, that's it. And as you can see here, it's built on Binance Smart Chain, and going to the market to see where we can buy it. There are some platforms in here, but I haven't used those. I just used the DEX, PancakeSwap. And yeah, let's get started with how to buy it on PancakeSwap. So head to pancakeswap.finance. all right, and the first time you open PancakeSwap here, the DEX platform here, you find that you need to connect your wallet. As for me here, I have MetaMask. If you don't have a wallet, you'll find a video in my channel about how to set up and create a MetaMask wallet. Now after you connected your wallet, trade and go to exchange, and as you can see here, you get to choose whatever coin that you have deposited to your MetaMask wallet or whatever wallet that you're using. Choose that in here. For example, let's say that I have BUSD, and here you get to choose and put in the amount that you want to buy with or swap with. For example, let's say I want to put it manually, or you can just click on max and use the maximum amount that you have of the coin on MetaMask in here. Okay, and for here now you need to choose what you want to swap with. In our case, we want space crypto. All right, so go to here and type in space crypto. So it does not appear, or let's say SPG, it does not appear. So what we should do here is just get back to here and copy the contract here by just clicking in here, and go back here and paste it, and here it is. Okay, now click import, and I understand, and import. Now you can check here and see the amount that you will be getting for swapping 100 BUSD to space crypto. All right, as for me here, I don't have any BUSD, so that's why it says here and it's gray. But for you, having the balance, it will show up as swap, and you just click it and click OK, and the swap will go through. Okay, but at first it will not show here. Why? Because you don't have it added to your tokens here. You haven't added token into your MetaMask wallet. So what you need to do is just head back to here. You will go to this mini icon here and click add it, and click add token. And now if we head back to here, we have SPG, all right, which is space crypto. Now you can see the amount of space crypto that you have on your wallet. Okay, so this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.